In this section, I'll cover all the things you need to get started with your candle making. The first thing I'll talk about is equipment, and I'll show you all the things that you need to use to make candles. Most of these things are pieces of basic kitchen equipment. There are various types of wax that you can use for candle making, and there are pros and cons of the different types. It's also very important to know which type to use when, to get the results that you want. So I'll be going through all of that with you, as well as showing you the different types of wax so you can see what they look like, and explaining to you how they melt down. At the end of this, you'll be able to decide which is the best wax for the type of candle you're going to make. Then we'll talk about wicks. The type and size of the wicks that you use affects the burning quality of the candle, as well as the release of scent into the air. And basically that's why you want to burn a candle, is to get the scent into the air. So it's very important to understand how the wicks work so that you can choose the right one for the size of candle that you're making. I will not only show you the different wicks and show you how they burn, I will also give you a complete guide to different types of wicks and their uses so that you will be well informed to make the right choice. After that, I'm going to demonstrate to you the correct type of candle dye to use to colour your candles. It's very important to use the right products, and I'll be showing you these, and then I'll be showing you how to use them in the candles later on in the course. I will also explain to you how much you need to use for your wax. Then we'll be discussing fragrance. There are a couple of different ways to fragrance your candles, and there are pros and cons of each. I'll be explaining to you all of these so that you can make a choice as to what type of fragrance you're going to use in your oil. There are also some safety issues to consider with these, so I will be sharing these with you at the same time. The most important thing about making candles is to have a safe workplace to make them. So the first thing I'm going to do is share with you how to create a safe workplace so that you and members of your family do not get injured in the process. There are some very basic safety steps, and I'll go through these with you. Then I'm going to show you the different molds that you can use for making candles. Some of these are simple items that you probably already have in your kitchen or around your house, and I will show you how to start inexpensively. Then I will also demonstrate professional molds that you can use and tell you how you can get these. And I will also show you how to make candles using molds that are easily available in your local supermarket or dollar store, so that it doesn't cost you a fortune to get started on your new hobby. So let's get going with the rest of the course.